Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power side mirrors, keyless entry, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 16-inch silver alloy wheels, all-season tires, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running auto high beam headlamps, fog lights, and a strong six-cylinder with only 9,942 miles. The power sliding rear window, large LED brake lights, the tow package, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable fabric bucket seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, selective internet, distance pacing, under seat storage, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.